The serious transfer game is a real board game. So it contains dice and chips and cards and all these things. And it consists of two parts. So in the first part, the participants create their ideal process of technology transfer depending on their personal ideas and their personal goals. And in the second part, this transfer process really meets a fictional real life. So reality kicks in, participants are met with challenges and they have to make decisions. And in the game you will see if these decisions were the right decisions, and you have to live with the consequences. In our case, it's a serious transfer game, so all the challenges and the game itself was developed around technology transfer. We think that technology transfer is essential for all researchers. You have to know the rules of technology transfer and ideally also later obey these rules, and you have to know about the options that technology transfer bears for you as researchers. So we think that knowing your options before you make these decisions is really very important and essential to get the best out of your academic research.
I think this game is very meaningful for the researchers, especially those who have the idea of starting a startup, because I think starting a startup is a very special experience for each one, because you do it for your first time and you don't know what's happening in the future, what would happen, what would influence your road towards your startup. And this game, it teaches you in a very interesting way, showing you what steps you could take and what could happen in these steps. So you can get many informations from it. You would know what you can do to build your startup. My teammates and I are from totally different research area. Like one of them was from the Charité, and the other one is from another research area. But this game, it is independent of your research area, and you have to find a way to communicate with people from different backgrounds as you.
We really look forward to having all of you as participants in the serious transfer game. Absolutely regardless of your technological focus area, so whether this is humanities or natural sciences or medtech, it really doesn't matter. The more diverse the group is, the better, because the learning effect increases if the group is more diverse. And I also think the fun factor increases a lot if we have a diverse field from the BUA. So take the chance to get to know your research fellows from the other BUA institutions and together learn about your options in technology transfer. We're looking forward to meeting you.